Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. What follows are my personal experiences with the platform. Citizens Bank's website, located at https://www.citizensbank.com, serves as the online portal for this prominent financial institution. Navigating to this web address provides access to a comprehensive suite of banking services and information. Customers can explore various account options, from basic checking and savings to more specialized offerings like money market accounts and certificates of deposit, CDS. The site provides detailed explanations of each account type, including associated fees, interest rates, and minimum balance requirements. Beyond account management, citizensbank.com offers resources for loan applications, including mortgages, auto loans, and personal loans. Prospective borrowers can use online tools to estimate monthly payments and explore different loan terms. The website also facilitates online bill pay, allowing customers to conveniently schedule and manage payments to various vendors. Furthermore, users can access investment services and explore wealth management options through the platform. Citizensbank.com provides educational resources on topics such as financial planning and budgeting. Security is a priority, with the website employing measures to protect user data and transactions. The site is designed to be user-friendly, with clear navigation and readily accessible customer support options. For those who prefer mobile banking, Citizens Bank offers dedicated apps for both iOS and Android devices. These apps provide a streamlined experience for managing accounts, making payments, and accessing banking services on the go. Overall, citizensbank.com aims to provide a comprehensive online banking experience, offering a wide array of services and resources to meet the financial needs of its diverse customer base. The platform strives to be a convenient and secure hub for managing personal finances.